Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to deactivate your Facebook account. Well, as you can see, I have logged in into my Facebook account, right? In the top right corner there is an icon. I will click on it. Now I will click on settings and privacy. Again settings. Here we need to click on see more in account center. Right now, personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, Facebook. Now if we deactivate an account, then it is a temporary action, right? So we just need to select it and we can click on continue and enter the password of our Facebook account, and our Facebook account will get temporarily deactivated. Again, let me remind you, it is a temporary action. You can activate your account in future anytime, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course, right, kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit our website and explore our course and can purchase the digital marketing course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.